Kia ora, I'm Chanelle and this is Damien.
At the moment, we're renovating an old woolshed. We're not builders by any means, but we're going to give it a really good crack.
So we're currently up to renovating our bedroom loft.
And we're breaking all rules and we're going to go a super dark colour up there. We don't know really how to do that to cater for those different surfaces.
So we're going to head into Resene and see if they can give us some advice on that.
So what can I help you with?
We've got walls to prep and paint. We've got beams to stain.
So for the bare timber, we'll be looking at Resene Quick Dry, and on the render, Resene Concrete Primer. For the staining, we'll be looking at Resene Colour Wood Stain and Resene Aqua Clear Varnish to seal it all up when it's done. Should we go and have a look at some colours?
Sweet.
So when we first went into the store, we met up with Stacey and she showed us this really beautiful blue called Resene Carpa Noctum.
I think this is the one.
So finally, we need to select the colour for the beams in the ceiling.
I really love this English walnut one.
Awesome. Let's do it.
Instead of getting stuck into the room straight away, we thought it'd be a good idea to practice all our new products on our mid-century furniture.
So first we sanded them down and then we wanted to put our own design on it.
I definitely wanted something Māori inspired, being my culture.
After applying a few coats of the Resene English Walnut Stain, we went in with the Resene Aqua Clear Varnish and that just brought up the colour so beautifully.
Yeah, it made it so much more richer, stored the texture from the wood. But we didn't have much space for storage, so one of the solutions was to cut massive holes in the wall and then countersink this mid-century furniture into the wall.
So for the concrete render, we went in with the Resene Concrete Primer.
You stuffed it up!
Oh no! Don't you just love a good roller?
And for the wood, we used the Resene Quick Dry Primer. So it's time to put on our Resene Carpa Noctum dark blue colour. And the nerves were super, super high.
When we first applied it to our walls, it was a bit lighter than we initially thought. But as we put more on, the colour really came through and it just looks honestly beautiful.
As soon as we applied the Resene English Walnut to the beams, we knew we had it right. Man, we were tickled. I don't know what else to say. The room's complete and we're fully stoked. And it's turned out way better than we thought.
And now the only thing left to do is to sit back and relax on our beautiful new bed and enjoy our new bedroom loft.